So today I'm doing a collaboration with Beauty Forever Hair. I'm first going to show you guys the packaging. Just so you know, I was sent this hair and it is off of Amazon. It's not off their official site. It's off their from their Amazon store. So this is the box that I was sent with the hair, and it does have hair care instructions, and also it comes with a pamphlet in it as well. Hope you guys can see that. And it has Aaliyah on it. And then it just tells you guys what type of hair that they sell. It also tells you what can be done to the hair, about their returns and exchanges, and all that jazz. I received body wave hair, Brazilian body wave, in the inches 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. I was able to bleach the knots on the closure, and I also have some hair left over. So this is what the hair looks like. So let me tell you guys how I have this hair constructed. I did make a full wig, and I just put it on my head and, you know, did all that. And then also, as I stated, I did bleach the knots on my closure. The knots bleached perfectly. Now the reason why you guys kind of see like my legs doesn't look all that well is because I did dye this hair. First I bleached it and it bleached perfectly, and then I put on top the Midnight Indigo color from Splot. This is what the packaging looks like. Now although you guys can't see the color on camera, I'll try to insert some pictures so you can see like the real color of this hair, because it is like a dark blue. I do not recommend this box dye because look at my hands. It's actually my first time using this, and it does like transfer. It doesn't transfer in my clothes, but anytime I style this hair, it does get on my fingers. Back to this hair. So I have had this hair installed for a day. So this is actually my initial thoughts. I will come back to tell you guys how the hair held up. But initially, I just want to take the time to say thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending me this hair, because this is by far the best hair, best Brazilian body wave hair that I have ever received, purchased. It's bomb, y'all. Like, and you can do some research on YouTube to see other people, you know, their reviews on this hair, because when I say this hair is bomb, it is bomb. Like, as I stated, I did bleach this hair and I did put a dye on it, and it still is like flowy. It curls perfectly. As you can see, I have like a little curls in the front. Holds a curl perfectly. I styled this hair yesterday, and as you can see, the curls still last. And honestly guys, I slept in this hair. The only thing I did was bump the front a little bit again, but that's it. So my initial thoughts is the hair is amazing, like amazing. I don't have any shedding, none whatsoever, no shedding. When I washed the closure and conditioned it, no shedding, no shedding from the bundles, no tangling. This hair is not dry. Sis, if y'all have never purchased hair because of my review of it, please do purchase this hair. Now, as I stated, this is my initial thoughts, but you can just tell, like, if you have been purchasing hair for a long time, you can just tell if the hair is going to last a long time or if it's going to start giving you trouble. And honestly, I don't think this hair is going to give me any trouble, but as I stated, I will do an updated review on this hair to let you guys know. And I may not have any, you know, too many problems with the hair anyway, because it is cut into a bob. This is the back. And I shouldn't have had on a black shirt, so I do apologize about that. But beauty forever. If you guys would like to send me some more hair, I am open to it, because honey, this hair is so freaking bomb. Like, your girl is hyped. Put some curls in the back, because yesterday I did not. So yeah, if you guys want to know like how I styled this little bob, please be sure to comment down below. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. Don't forget to check out Beauty Forever. Once again, I thank you guys for sending me this hair. And don't forget to wake, pray, and slay the day, because Paris taught you. I love you guys. As I was saying, be sure to be on the lookout for my updated review on this hair if you want to know my final thoughts. And I'm also probably going to do a styling video on this little bob. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay. As I stated, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and also enter my giveaway. It's on my channel. I also have it linked down below, and I'll have all the links for this hair listed down below in the description box as well. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.